How to cancel Zelle payment on Chase mobile app. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Chase mobile application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, if you want to cancel Zelle payment on Chase mobile, navigate to Pay and Transfer option. You might find this option on the main dashboard or in the menu. Further, select the Zelle option. This will show you your recent transactions. Now go ahead and find the payment you want to cancel. Look for the transaction in your recent Zelle activity. Now tap on the transaction. This will give you more details about it. Further, look for the cancel option. If the payment is still pending, you should see an option to cancel it. Now go ahead and follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. If the payment has already been completed, you won't be able to cancel it directly through the app. In that case, consider contacting the recipient to ask for a return or reach out to Chase customer support for further assistance. So, this is how you can cancel Zelle payment on Chase mobile app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.